now that the demo program is installed, you can disconnect the USB cable. The robot now is standalone. But now you will have to switch on the power, make sure the blue lights are on. And then the demo program leads you through a series of demonstrations of the onboard functions of the robot. So you can follow those instructions somewhat separately. I'll show a few examples of that. There are 3 buttons labeled A, B, and C. And what this is saying is to press B. So I will. It's a little bit hard with my fingers to get that. I had to use a fingernail because those buttons are quite small. But this is demonstrating the LEDs. So to start that demonstration, that part of the demonstration, I press the B button. And it's displaying the color, and it's actually lighting up those LEDs. To get out of this little loop, you press B and go back to the main menu. And then to go to the next step of the demo, you would press C, the C button. And that will demonstrate the line sensors. To activate that part of the demo, you press the B again. And what it's showing on the screen is the reading being obtained by the line sensors that are underneath the robot. And since the robot's not on a line, these are really designed to distinguish between black lines on a white surface. And since I don't really have one handy, I've kind of cobbled one up here. I've got some black electrical tape on a piece of white paper, and this might help us to see how those work. So it doesn't work too well just because I didn't really calibrate it or anything, but you can see that it's picking up that black line. And this can be used for line following. There's some example code that causes the robot to follow a black line on a white surface. So we can go back now to the main menu. We can go to the next part of the demo by pressing C. This displays the proximity sensors, so to activate that, press the B key. There are 2 in front and 1 on each side, so if I bring my hand close in, it will pick that up. It's not doing a very good demonstration because I got a bunch of other stuff around here, but you can see it will pick my hand up from the front or from the side. So that can be used to navigate the robot through obstacles. The next part of the demo shows the inertial sensors, and then you can demonstrate the motor function, you can demonstrate the wheel encoders, and you can demonstrate playing music. And that battery monitor that we saw as a standalone code before is also included in here. And that cycles us back around to the LED demonstration.